Maraming creators ang nagtatanong, ilang videos ba dapat i-upload araw-araw para mas mataas ang chance na ma-hit ang $25 payout ni Meta? Isa lang ang sagot ko, hindi lang dami ng upload ang laban, consistency at quality din. Pero pag-usapan natin practical, kung Meta monetization ang target mo, lalo kung gusto mong maabot agad ang payout threshold, maraming creators ang nag-work around 3 to 5 quality videos a day. Oo, narinig mo ng tama, 3 to 5. Bakit hindi isa lang? Because content is partly numbers game. Mas maraming quality attempts, mas mataas ang chance may isang mag-pick up ang algorithm. Parang pangingisda, kung isang business ka lang maghulog ng lambat, isa lang chance mo. Pero kung 5, mas mataas ang possibility may makahuli. Pero tika, hindi ibig sabihin mag-spam ka ng 5 low-value videos. Hindi quantity over quality, kundi quality multiplied by consistency. Yan ang formula. Pwede mong gawin ganito. Video 1, educational tip. Video 2, relatable or story-based. Video 3, problem-solving content. Video 4, quick engaging reel. And video 5, opinion or authority post. Iba-ibang angle. Pinapataas mo ang chances. Now, bakit importante ito sa payout? Dahil Meta earnings kadalasan volume game din. More reach, more watch time, more engagement, more monetizable activity. Mas dumadami ang opportunities, pumasok ang earnings. Pero gusto kong klaruhin, hindi guaranteed na 5 uploads equals $25 agad. Walang exact magic number. May creator to videos lang pero malakas ang performance. May iba 8 uploads pero mahina dahil weak hooks. Kaya mas magandang tanong hindi, ilang videos dapat? Kundi, ilang quality chances ang kaya kong ilabas daily. Big difference, di ba? At ito pa, watch retention matters. Kung hindi pinapanood beyond first few seconds, kahit 10 videos pa yan, mahihirapan ka. Kaya mas mahalaga ang hook. Strong first 3 seconds. Strong first line. Strong curiosity. Because retention drives reach. At reach can drive earnings. Now, kung beginner ka, start with 3 daily. Sustainable yan. Pag sanay ka na, pwedeng gawing 5. Pero wag kang mag-burn out. Consistency beats intensity. Mas okay ang 3 videos every day for 90 days than 10 videos for 5 days tapos nawawala. Algorithm loves consistency. At ito pa, isa sa sikreto. Repurpose. Isang long-form video gawing 3 short videos. One idea, multiple assets. Mas efficient. At tandaan, hindi lahat ng videos para kumita direct. May ibang video pang reach, may pang engagement, may pang convert. Lahat may trabaho. At kapag gumana ang system mo, doon pumapasok ang predictable earnings. Kaya kung target mo ma-hit ang $25 payout ni Meta, aim for 3 to 5 quality videos daily. Strong hooks, high retention, consistent posting, repeatable content system. Yan ang mas realistic strategy. At gusto kong iwan sa iyo ito. Hindi creator ang kumikita dahil madami siyang post. Kumikita siya dahil madami siyang quality opportunities na binibigay sa algorithm. Big difference yan. So next time may magtanong sa iyo, ilang videos ba dapat? Sabihin mo, enough videos to create momentum, but enough quality to deserve monetization. At doon, nagsimula ang tunay na growth. Nakatulong ba ito sa'yo? And like, follow, and share na rin for more tips. And see you in the comment section.